Hi, in this video I will tell you how to do factory reset, the hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you forgot your password or the PIN and you don't remember it, you can factory reset in easy step. So first, make sure that the phone has at least 50% battery, and second, all you're gonna do, you have to keep pressing power and the volume up. Once again, power and the volume up at the same time. So let's do that. You have to keep pressing until you see this thing. And what you can do is after that you will look for the wipe data factory reset right there. This option you're going to click. How you select it, you just have to press the power button right there, and it will ask you if you want to do it. This cannot be undone, so are you sure? Select it by the volume down and hit factory data reset, and at the end it will tell you that data wipe completed. Once it's completed, you just hit power button, and that's it. That will actually allow you to reset the phone. Now this will also delete all of your contacts, your photos, your Gmail, but in some cases you might need to have another Gmail or the same Gmail that actually you used before to sign in. You have to have that Gmail, but other than that, that's how you do it. So just make sure that the phone is charged, and then you're gonna press volume up and then the power at the same time, and keep pressing until you see the Android or the fast boot. And once you see that, you're just gonna click on there on that factory data reset, and that's how you actually do it. I hope it actually help it. But now once we'll see if it actually asks for the, so it's not asking for any of the Google account, but in most cases you need to have that Google account, the previous one that you had used before, in order to get into the phone. But other than that, that's how you actually do it within like what, 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay, just set up right there. Done. Just today's my birthday, let's say. You can just hit that. Here you go, you're all set. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in next video. Bye for now.